How to find anyone on Instagram using just a photo. So let's say you want to find your friend on Insta but don't remember his username. Instead of just remembering the username, you can use his photo to find it. So I'll show you step by step how to do this. Firstly, let's go ahead and open App Store and search for the Google app. Make sure it is installed on your phone. If not, just tap Get button to install. Or if you're using Android phone, open Play Store and find the app there. Now go ahead and open it. And in the search field, you should see a little camera icon which is for Google search. Click on it and this will open reverse image search. So you can see your gallery in the down left corner. Just click on it and select photo. For this example, I'm going to search for myself, so I'm going to use my photo. And by the way, it is better for the photo to be in Instagram already, so it will just find it quicker. So I'm going to use this photo which I have on my Insta account. And as you can see, if I swipe up, it immediately found the result. It found my Insta, so I can just tap on it, tap on the exact matches, tap on my Insta profile. And this is what I'm talking. I got this photo on Insta, so it immediately found it. Let's go back. If for some reason Google does not see your photo or you didn't got any results, you can also try to crop the image like that and use, for example, just your face for the search. And with this way, you should get something. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.